If you like magic effects that are intimate and create an unforgettable souvenir, you might want to check this out.
Hello everybody, in this video we will take a look at Memory by BLUETHER Magic. You present two pictures with hourglasses on them, one red and one blue.
The picture cards can be signed. You hand one to the spectator and you retain one. You tear your card in half and your spectator tears theirs in half as well. Amazingly, when you join the randomly torn edges of both cards, they fit together seamlessly, forming a heart-shaped image with both signatures on it. In the end, the magician can frame the combined image and give it to the audience as a unique and memorable souvenir. The package arrives in this sturdy cardboard box. You are provided with enough material for 16 performances. They even give you a Sharpie, which is nice. The instructional video link provided in the box did not work for me initially. However, a quick message through TCC and they promptly provided me with the correct link. Now, it is worth noting that there is a clause in the beginning of the tutorial stating that no TV rights are included. There have been some debates within the magic community about this clause in the past. However, I just wanted to bring it up to your attention so that you are aware of it. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide how you want to approach this. The tutorial itself is 24 minutes long, during which the method and idea behind Memory are thoroughly explained.
The tutorial is in Mandarin with English subtitles.
You also learn not just one but two presentations. The first one is more impromptu, requiring minimal preparation, while the second presentation, although requiring a bit more setup, delivers an even more impossible effect. The principle behind the effect is simple, yet incredibly clever, in my opinion. You might even discover other creative applications for it. You end dirty, but the cleanup is baked into the routine, and by the time you are done, there is nothing to find. There are some performance considerations that are also discussed in the tutorial. This is not something you want to perform all the time or just to anyone.
This is not an effect where the audience runs away screaming from you.
It might be best to reserve this for special occasions, as the purpose here is to create a memorable experience. The cards themselves measure 90mm by 90mm, while the frame measures 110mm by 95mm. So keep in mind that they will take up a bit more pocket space compared to regular playing cards, or you might want to consider carrying them separately for your convenience.
Memory by BLUETHER is available for $30 at tccmagic.com. It is relatively easy to perform, but could potentially create a long-lasting impact on your audience. If you like effects that are intimate and can create an unforgettable souvenir for your audience, you might want to check out Memory by BLUETHER. My name is Yin Hao, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.